Hare Krishna everyone, welcome to another video in the Saturday series Gurus from Ramayana. Today we are going to introduce a new character, Prince Bharata from Ayodhya. Bharata is among the most misunderstood characters in the Ramayana. He was the son of Kaikeyi, and it was for him that Kaikeyi demanded Rama should go to exile and her son Bharata should become king. These are the two boons that Kaikeyi asked for. But was that what Bharata actually wanted? No. When he learned about his father's death and his mother's actions behind it, he was devastated. But whenever the actions took place, that is when Kaikeyi asked for the boons, Bharata was not present at Ayodhya at the time. When he returned after learning about his father's death, he was devastated. Even then, the people of Ayodhya doubted him, doubted his intentions. They thought he would rejoice because he got the throne. But Bharata only wanted what was right. Because of this, he set out to the forest to bring Rama back, and the people of Ayodhya also joined him happily. While he was coming, Lakshmana, he saw Bharata approaching from a distance, and even Lakshmana for a moment doubted that he was coming for battle and prepared himself to fight. But in reality, if you see, Bharata came and he fell at Rama's feet and he requested repeatedly that Rama come back to Ayodhya and take back the throne. But when Rama refused, even after repeated attempts, what did Bharata do? He took his sandals, he took Rama's sandals and took them back to Ayodhya, placed that on the throne, and he lived as an ascetic while just managing the kingdom. He did not ever proclaim that he was ruling Ayodhya, he was only taking care of Ayodhya until Rama came back. So that was how pure Bharata's intentions were. Yet he was misunderstood if you look at the story. So what can we learn from Bharata? We can learn that sometimes in life we are also under the phase of misunderstandings. People doubt our intentions, people misinterpret what we say or think, they spread falsehoods about us. But we should learn from Bharata that no matter what people say or do, we should not waver from our truth. We should always stay true to dharma, place our trust in God and move ahead. That's all what we have to do. If you do that, eventually, like in Bharata's case, people understood. Eventually, people will realize that we were saying the truth or we were staying true to dharma. So that is the biggest lesson that Bharata gives us. It is an insightful thing to learn because it is very applicable in our everyday lives, right? So that's all for today. Hare Krishna.